Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Every closet needs a good pair of leather boots. I want to show you these from Frye. These tall equestrian style boots are one of my go-tos because they really go with everything. They are a really nice quality and they're so comfortable. So these are made from a genuine, really nice quality leather. So these are going to be an investment that lasts for a really long time. I love these boots with leggings, jeans, skirts, dresses. You can literally wear them with everything. You can dress them up, dress them down. They have that classic equestrian style to them. So this is something that is not going to just quickly go out of style. They are really timeless. I love the antique hardware on the outside. I love that there are pull tabs on the inside to help you get the boots on. And they're just comfortable to wear all day. Even if I'm on my feet all day with these boots, I am still completely comfortable at the end of the day and have no issues. So I am a huge fan of these boots. They are an excellent quality. They are so versatile and you are going to love them. And that's my point of view.